Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with more non-phone data entry type work from home job leads. I know from the comments that this is what most people are wanting, but as always, everything I discuss will be linked in the description box below, and feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for if these were not for you, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But before we dive into it, I just want to ask that if these job leads are helpful to you, please like and comment on my videos, and please also share with your friends and family members, because that helps me, giving me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. But without wasting any more time, today we have 3 job leads that are all non-phone data entry based. Now, some of these companies have been discussed on my channel before, and I always like to bring something different and not always be sharing the same thing. But at the same time, these companies are actively hiring, so we are actively sharing. So first up, we have Advanced Medical Reviews. They are hiring a data entry associate. Now, unfortunately, all 3 of these are remote for my United States folks only. Now, for this data entry position, this is 100% remote work from home. The hours that they need someone to work is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you might have to convert your time zone into the PST time zone to make sure that those hours will work for you. But if that does, they are looking for someone to gather, organize, and prepare source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database, review data for discrepancies, missing pages, etc. Enter both alphabetic and numeric data from the source documents into their system database. You'll review the data against the original source document to make sure it is accurate, correct, and there are no errors or duplications. And then you might have to perform other various clerical duties. Now, they do not require any college degree, only a high school diploma or GED is required. They do want someone who has a minimum of 6 months related experience and equivalent combination training or experience. Someone who has experience in a medical office is preferred but not required. They do require someone who can be tech savvy and detail oriented, because you are working on a computer individually by yourself. Now, unfortunately, this position did not list the pay or any benefit package. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, as pay is always dependent on location and experience. Next up, we have the company Exemplus. They are hiring an order entry rep. Now, for an order entry rep, they are looking for someone to enter orders that are first in the queue system. You have a minimum daily order requirement that you must meet. You'll be responsible for processing and entering all sales orders accordingly, and making sure that includes the GSA state contract sales orders into the government checklist when necessary. You'll assist customer service representatives with giving them proof of acknowledgments. You'll run necessary order entry reports as required, and you'll match the acknowledgments to the sales orders. Now, again, this does not require any college degree, only high school diploma or GED. They are looking for someone who has 2 years experience in data entry and the ability to pass an assessment measuring your typing speed and accuracy. Again, with this one, pay is not discussed in the job description. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so you will have to ask them at the time of the interview. Now, this last one I have discussed a few times before. We do have subscribers who have worked with them, and I put in the application, went through the process so that I could tell you all about it. So we have the company Gaggle hiring people to do content review. Now, what Gaggle is looking for is they work with school systems, and they are looking for someone to review the incoming data incoming into students, like emails and things that they're posting online. And you have to make sure that it is not threatening, that they are not using bad language and different things like that. So you will monitor and analyze student activity to identify potential inappropriate usage of words, phrases, statements, and images within email, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and more. So they're looking for someone who can process these quickly, looking for someone who can do 275 items per hour while maintaining a high level of accuracy. And they want someone who can work at least 10 hours each week. So this is more of a log on and work when you can kind of thing. Now, a few caveats about this. When you hit the apply now button, you'll fill out your basic information, and then they will give you guidelines of how they want their things graded. And then you will take a small test, which means you'll read the guidelines and you'll grade a few pieces just like you were working. And then you'll submit that. And if you pass the test, then they can hire you on. So there is a quiz with the application. So they already give you the guidelines, so you'll kind of get a feel with putting in your application for what the work is going to be like. Now, one caveat to this, it is a 1099 contractor role, and because it is one of those like gig type jobs where you just log on and work when you can, there is no set hours for this. You can set your own schedule. They don't pay as high as other positions. They do pay $10 an hour, and I have confirmed that. But if you're good with that, if you're just looking to make a little extra side hustle money for Christmas, then this is for you. They are looking for someone who has experience with various computer and web-based applications, someone who has an interest in reading, as the position requires focus on reading different things that are posted on the internet. Someone who is tech savvy, has strong communication skills, and the ability to adapt to change. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.